Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of fasting tracker. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about fasting tracker and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Here we go to Play Store and then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.